Hello everybody, we're back and we're going to continue with our construction drawings for our house that we copied right from PDFs. So we stopped with elevations, so we're going to just continue on here in Project Browser and we're going to add another sheet and just say okay here. Now we have our elevations here in this view, and we have the east and the north. So next we'll need the south and the west. So on the new sheet, we'll just go drag and drop the south here. And again, let's just drag them both in, and we have our west. Just here. So I don't know why this scale didn't come in properly. So what I'll do here, I'll just go here and I'll activate this view. And upon activation, I'll drop it down to 1/4 inch. Okay, and then this one, I'll deactivate this other view, and then I'll activate this view. And I'll put this in hidden line as well, or we can do shaded if you like. But for now, let's just do hidden line, and then we'll change the scale to 1/4 as well. So there's our other elevations, and then again, we want to crop this guy. So I want to hit this guy, and actually, you want to hit the crop region on the and just drag this guy across here, and drag this one across to there. Okay. And now here once again, now we've got these trees elements in here. We don't really need to see that. So I'm going to deactivate. Actually, I'm going to go into this view. Let's deactivate this and organize this first of all. So let's just bring this right here. And touch this. Drag the dot across. I have to touch that window, and then just pick this up and move it here. And we want to crop this again. We'll activate the view. Let's crop it a little more. Let's bring this down to here. And then let's zoom in here. And let's deactivate this. So now we've got everything in here, except we don't need the planning. So I'm going to activate this view, and I'm going to select this. I'm going to right click, and I want to hide in view category. And there you go. So there's our south elevation. And we'll just drag this right about here. Now then we'll take this one, same thing, activate the view, turn on the view crop, select this guy, bring it here and here. And we'll deactivate this guy here. Or actually, we've got to turn off the planning, so I'm going to activate this view, and I want to select this guy, and I want to hide in view category. And there we go. Bring this over here. Again, this game can get really wacky sometimes. So here, let's do this. Activate view again. And let's just pull this up to right about here. Okay, we don't need to see that. And we can do that in this view as well, or we can turn it off, but it's just as easy to just move it out. Let's go here. Let's activate this view here. Let's go. Let's just move this up here. So now we've got our house here. We got our elevations all set up. And then I want to activate this view and do a little cleaning up here. Now, these crop view lines, they don't print, so you can leave them there. They work like viewports in AutoCAD. Okay, I want to deactivate this view. And let's just move this one right here. And then we'll place our title there. So there's our elevations. So we rename this. We'll say elevations 2. Or we could have gave it a name, north and south, east and west, but let's just say for this time being, elevations 2. Or whatever you want to call it. And say okay. So now we have foundation plan, floor plans, elevations. So next thing we want to do here is we'll do these in order to have as a set of plans if you're going to do a house. Okay, so now there's our elevations. Next we'll do a section, and so to do a section we'll probably go down into our first floor, and then we'll draw a, do we have any here? No, so we'll just, there we have some sections here. Let's see what section 1 is. Okay, we have our section 1, and that's going through the house that way, and we should see that in our floor plan view. So let's go have a look at our finished floor plan, and there's that section. So now we want to take another one, and let me see, it should be one here. Let's go to this drawing here. Okay. So let's go to the first floor plan that we duplicated. Okay. So it should be in the project browser, but it isn't. I didn't duplicate that one, but what I can do this. So I can go activate this view, and we'll draw a section going this way. Let's just go right through there. When you do sections, you kind of want to pick up important features in a house. So this one will pick up the kitchen and some of this plumbing fixtures. And if I double click that, there's that section, which is good. And then I might want to, no, we just need the interior. So that's good. And here, we're going to pull this up. Actually, yeah, let's just pull this up for here for right now. So I'm going to deactivate this view. Oh, I'm sorry. I want to go here now, and I want to create another sheet. So let's go here. You go sheet, new sheet. We'll say OK here. And then we'll drag and drop our 2 sections. So we'll have one here. And this is we're going to try to make this a little larger scale if we can. Let's activate this view. Go with, let's say, 3/8. That might not work because, no, we might have to go with the 1/4 inch again because this house is pretty big, nice size house. It really is. He did a nice house for himself. Activate this view. Yeah, we're going to have to go with a 1/4 inch. Now, what we could do, we can do 2 different sheets for sections, if you like, but no, we want to just do one for each one. So let's activate this view, and we'll go back to the 1/4 inch scale here. There's our view, and let's drag and drop it up here. Next, we'll go and grab our section 2. Now, this is going to cross-reference back to that sheet as you see once I place it. There's section 2. There's section 1. Now, if I go back to my finished floor plan, There it is. It's telling me it's on A16. So that's one of the great things about Revit. It's very parametric. It's a very smart program. So let's go back into our sections. I'm going to deactivate this view. And I'm going to just leave that there for now. So those are our two cross sections. We got a transverse and a section right through the middle of the building here. So then next, we'll rename this. We'll call this sections. Okay. Now, at this point, we need to do some call outs. And I covered this earlier, but I didn't finish it off. So I'm going to do this. So we want to call the wet areas out again from my working drawings here. So I'll go to this first floor plan and we'll do the kitchen. So to do a call out, you just go I'm going to activate this view and we'll go to view, call out. And we'll do a rectangular and we'll just take the whole kitchen here. We'll just call the whole entire kitchen out. And then we'll adjust this bubble and pull it outside so that it's out of the way of anything. So that'll be one of our call outs. And then we'll do another one. These are particularly the wet areas of the house because they have to be detailed and we have to do plumbing and everything there. So I'm going to pull this one here for this bathroom. Place it there. And then we'll go and do the laundry room. So these are all of the detailed drawings that we'll use for our plumbing, our interior work, and then we'll do another one here. So we want to call out all the wet areas here. Okay. We'll take this guy and pull it over here. And then again, we've got areas on the second level, so let's go up to our second floor. And we've got this kitchen here, this two baths up here. So we'll go and call this one out. This is our master bathroom here. As you can see, these bubbles are empty. But once I put them on these, so I'm going to open one of these call out views just to show you what it looks like. So there's the call out view. And once I get that on the sheet, I'll show you other things and then it'll go cross-reference back to where it came from, just like the section. So I'm going to do this one as well. And there you go. So now we've got all of our call outs done for both levels, level 1 and level 2, and then we just would need a sheet for those. So I'm going to add a sheet here. I'm going to go new sheets, new. I'm going to load this one. Oops. I'm going to say okay, And now we want to go and grab the call outs. Now the call outs will sit here. They sit under the floor plan that we worked on. So for this one, I'm going to just drag and drop call out 1 here. And that's our kitchen. I'm going to activate this view here. Fix this. Well, I'll tell you what I'll do. I don't want to mess with that. So I'm going to just hide this in view. I don't need to see that element. And then here, there's our one call out. A part plan, basically, the partial floor plan. So there's our kitchen. And then we can drag this across here. And then we can rename this. So let's call this, rename this to kitchen plan. I'll just say kitchen plan right here. And say okay. So there's our kitchen. And then let's go get this next call out. This is a half inch, okay. And this can be, this is our bathroom. I think I remember that's the little break bathroom. And so I'm gonna just drop all these out here, and this is call out 3. And that's the laundry room. And then call out 4. This is the other bathroom. So we've got these particular callouts laid out, and so I'm going to leave it here. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do the interior elevations from our callouts. And this one here, I want to just activate this view, and I want to hide this in view. Now, if we go back to our sheets, we go back to our first floor plan, and what you'll see is, our callouts are cross-referenced back to that sheet that we created. There they all are. So hey guys, thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe, and in the next video, we'll look at doing the elevations to the callouts and continue on with our working drawings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everybody. Please be safe.